Srivastav. Today we are going to make a clock. We will need two different type of color papers, a plate, a pencil, and a fevistick, and a scale, scissor, and a razor. So let's begin. First of all, we are going to draw the circle. Well, I have already drawn the circle at the same time. Now, step 2. We are going to trace the numbers up to 12 like these from a red color paper sheet, and my mom is going to help with it. This is number 1. It will go in the starting. This is number 2. Will be in the second. This is number 3. It will be the third one of the numbers. This is number 4. It will be the fourth one. This is number 5. It will be the fifth one. And this will be the number 6. It will be the sixth one. This will be number 7. It will be the seventh one. The number 8 one. It will be the number 8 one. This will be number 9. It will be the ninth one. And this will be number 10. The number 10 one. The 10th number. This will be number 11. The 11th number. And finally the last, number 12. Step 2. We are going to use a red paper sheet for these hands of the clock. There are 3 hands in the clock. This biggest hand is the minute hand. As we know, it always points to the AM. This and this. Second hand will be near to 12. And finally, the greatest hour hand will be pointing to 8. And this means we have got a 2 clock. Now we can just paste it like this. And now we are ready with our clock. Thank you for watching my video. Next time, if I get more projects in the school, I will share my video all with you. Bye-bye.